Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can scan QR code on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So there are two ways that you can scan QR on your iPhone. The first thing is to simply just open your iPhone camera and simply just scan the QR. So I'm going to show you guys just that. So simply open your camera app, and in here you can see my camera app has been open, and in front of me there is a QR. I'm going to just focus it just like this. Here you can see it is focusing, and then you can see there is the link option right here. You can tap on it, and just like this, here you can see you can open this QR link, and just like this you can like scan hotspot or Wi-Fi QR or any other QR just like this. So the another thing that you can do is simply just open your scan. There is the scan option on your control panel. All you have to do is simply just swipe down your control panel just like this. Here you can see now your control panel is turned on, and in here you can see there is this particular QR icon that you can see right here. All you have to do is tap on it just like this, and here you can see now your camera will be opened, and in here you can simply just scan this QR just like this, and here you can see now it is taking us to this particular link of this QR. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can scan QR code on iPhone. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.